Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you're new for coming, so subscribe, keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel, keep on sharing my video so it can reach many people. So guys, I'm coming live from the village. Today I want to show you the typical village routine of this young kids who stay in the village. So it is early in the morning, so they are sleeping outside. Guys, you can see the way they are sleeping. So it's early in the morning, so I want to show you their typical village routine. So it's early in the morning, they want to wake up. Yeah, guys, now you can see it is early in the morning. So guys, now they need to arrange their blanket and their mat because it's where they are sleeping. So they need to arrange their blanket and the mat, yeah, because they're using their blanket to cover themselves, and their mat they are putting on the ground so that they can sleep on it. See where they are putting their things. So the next thing, they need to go and wash their face, guys, because in the village it is obvious, guys, when you wake up you need to wash your face and brush your teeth. So let's go. So you can see, guys, they are going to wash their face. So they need to wash their teeth, and they need to wash their face and brush their teeth. Because in the village, guys, there is no toothbrush, so yeah, you're supposed to clean your teeth with your own finger. Yeah. That's us. So if it's your first time to come across my video, make sure you subscribe and share so that it can reach many people. Yeah. So guys, you can see they're using their finger to brush their teeth, to clean their teeth, guys. So guys, they are finished washing their face, cleaning their teeth. So the next thing, they need to wash utensils. So you can see there's a lot of utensils here, guys. So they need to clean, to make it clean, because they will use it again. So guys, their parents are not around, so you can see they need to take care of everything in the village. So they need to clean the utensils. So you can see they have a dog. This is their dog for security purpose. Yeah. Then in the village, guys, the good thing is that even boys can wash utensils. So the good thing is that they are helping each other to do home chores. They're giving this vegetable to their dog. So even here in the village, dogs need to eat because it's help a lot in the village security. Someone cannot come and steal your things. Okay. So guys, you can see they are feeding their dog. So this is for dog. guys, here in in the village, when you want to clean utensils, you need to start with the cups, then the spoon and plate, they will follow later. So guys, these kids in the village, they're so hardworking. They are really helping their parents to do work. So that's what I love about them. So the good thing is that when they go somewhere else, then when they find there's a lot of work, they will not complain, they will just do it. So here in the village, people or guardians, they are teaching their kids to be so hardworking. So even when they are not at home, when their parents are not at home, they're good to go. They can do anything, they can handle anything. Yeah. Guys, you can see now they are washing the plates. They are finished with cups. So here in the village, people are teaching their kids that when you want to wash utensils, you need to start with the cups first, then the plates and spoons will follow later. Yeah, so the good thing, you can see they're helping each other, guys. So you can't do a lot of work alone. If it's wash utensils, they're helping each other. If it's going to the river, they're going together. Yeah. So they're living together as a family that love each other. No matter what, guys, they're together. So you can see they have washed a lot of utensils, but it's not yet over. If it's your first time to come across my video, keep on watching, keep on subscribing. Don't forget to watch my video so it can reach many people. Yeah. So you can see they have a chicken. So guys, if you visit them one day, they will slaughter for you one. Then you can see they have cows. There are two of them, big one and the smallest one, guys. Then you can see here in the village we are blessed with fruits. You can see we have guavas, but it's not there more. Now for now it's just little, it's not more guavas. Then you can see this the house. This is where their cows used to sleep. These are like let me say it's a shed where the cows used to sleep. Let me go inside and show you. Yes, cows used to sleep here, guys. So you can see the way it is. There's a lot of stones because it's really raining and the iron sheet it has holes. It is leaking. So keep on watching my video, guys. Keep on subscribing. So you can see this is where their dog used to sleep. So now they are washing sufurias. So guys, I've told you already, boys, they do anything. So there's no specific work for specific gender where you say you are a boy, will not wash utensils, you are the boy, will not cook. Even boys here cook. Then you can see that's where they are putting the sufurias. Yeah. So now, they are almost finishing they have washed a lot of utensils, so at least everything is clean. When their mom come or their grandma come, they find everything is clean. So this is the good thing of teaching kids in the village to be hardworking. It's really, really good. So share, subscribe to my channel. Road to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Some people are watching, but they are not subscribing. So guys, now they're finishing doing their work. So if you like this video, let me know, drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. So Galama, let's say bye bye. Okay guys, bye bye. Let's meet on another video.